Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eassiy Official. Today we're tackling a super tricky issue, removing lost mode on your iPhone. Maybe you misplaced your device, activated lost mode for safety, but now can't remember the passcode. Don't worry, we'll show you how to remove lost mode with or without the passcode, and even how to deal with iCloud activation lock if needed. What is lost mode? Lost mode is Apple's security feature to protect your iPhone, iPad, or iPod when it's lost or stolen. When enabled, the device is locked and can't be accessed by anyone. Apple Pay is disabled. A notification is sent to the linked Apple ID email. The device remains traceable until lost mode is turned off. You usually set a passcode when enabling lost mode. This passcode is required to turn it off. How to remove lost mode with passcode. If you remember the passcode used for lost mode, removing it is simple. Unlock the device using the lost mode passcode. Once unlocked, all features disabled by lost mode are reactivated. Easy and quick. How to remove lost mode without passcode. Can't remember the passcode? No worries. There are a few options. One, via iCloud website. Open a browser on another device and log into your Apple ID. Complete the two-factor authentication verification if prompted. Click Find My, select all devices, and choose your iPhone. Click Stop Lost Mode. The device will unlock remotely. 2. Using the Find My app. Open Find My on another Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID. Tap Devices and select the iPhone in Lost Mode. Tap Lost Mode, then turn off Mark as Lost. Confirm, and lost mode is disabled. Bonus: remove iCloud activation lock with Passixer. If lost mode is removed but your device is iCloud locked, or if you can't access your Apple ID, Passixer iPhone Unlocker can help what it can do. Bypass iCloud activation lock without Apple ID. Unlock iPhone/iPad screen locks. Passcode, Face ID, Touch ID. Remove MDM restrictions or Apple ID locks safely. Steps to use. Passixer. Install and launch Passixer iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Then select Bypass iCloud Activation Lock. Connect your iPhone via USB and click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to jailbreak the device if required. After jailbreaking, click Next, and Passixer will bypass iCloud lock. Within minutes, your device is fully unlocked and usable again. No passcode or Apple ID required. FAQs. Can a lost mode iPhone be unlocked? Yes, either with the passcode or using tools like Passixer. Does erasing an iPhone remove lost mode? Yes, but it may trigger iCloud activation lock. You'll need the correct Apple ID credentials to use the device. What's the difference between lost mode and activation lock? Lost mode is manual. You set it to protect your device. Activation lock is automatic. It kicks in after a reset and requires Apple ID credentials. And that's it. You now know how to remove lost mode with or without a passcode, and how to deal with iCloud activation lock using Passixer iPhone. Unlocker like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions. See you next time.